Welcome back to another fast tutorial. Today I'll show you how you can create really fast industry bases direct from the base you get. We will need a scribing tool. You can get these from Amazon when you type in Trumpeter Panel Line Engraver. Basically it's a tool to scrape away fine lines from plastic. It's from historical tank and aircraft modeling, and used to I glued plastic card on the bases, but it's a lot of effort to cut them in oval and round shapes, and I thought, why not try this directly on the base I got with my kit. Use a ruler to check the distances between your lines, and then just take a scribing tool and go over the base again and again until the line is deep enough for your taste. This is really fast. It will make a really great appearance when you wash it later on. Separate the different tiles from another, and you can make them as deep and strong as you like. I think you could also do this with a scalpel, but the engraving tool was made right for that purpose, and I really like how easy this goes, how good the results are. Next we will drill some holes where we want to be our rivets, and as rivets we will use the rivet kit from plusmodel or plusmodel. Our German fellows can get them at the Battlefield Berlin shop, and I'm sure wherever you live you will find a supplier for it. They got their own online shop as well, and they're made from resin, and you can break them out of sprue and directly put them into the drilled holes, or you could cut off more so just the head of a rivet can be glued to flat surfaces. Always important to check with a model that should stand on the base, especially if it's so big like the Imperial Knight. And I mark where his feet will be, so I don't have to put them on every time I want to build flat areas and details on the base. And that's important. We have a hole in the middle of the base, and we have that big flat surface. We need something to break that up. And AUG weapons are actually very good to make techie bits, energy parts, generators. And this is from an old clock. And then just try some combinations of bits, look where you get, and when you like it, just glue it down. And it's really important to dry fit before you glue everything together, or else we'll have to send away the glue when you don't like the end result. So always use super glue for different materials. And then now we have to put the knight back, or any big model, because I need to check the heights. How big a thing can I build there without it looking silly or even standing in the way? And I really liked the version with the glue top, but it's too big, simply too big. Would steal the show for a model, and we don't want that. And in the end I decided for a small part. And yeah, I definitely will do it this way in the future. No cutting out plastic card sheet anymore. It's also a good deal cheaper. And if you use bases that don't have their sprue hole in the middle of them, you could also do this for smaller bases. Hope you enjoyed, and see you for the next tutorial.